Hello, all. Today I would like to share with you how to create a box plot and get the summary statistic in GeoGebra and also um, get the confidence interval in GeoGebra. So you can get the link from below for what I'm doing here, like follow along. That's easier. So when you open it, the file, so it's gonna be look like this. So we're gonna find we're gonna create a box plot for this data set right here. So first you have to highlight this data set right here first, and then you go to this histogram symbol right here. Click on that, and then you do one variable analysis. Click on this. So they show you the histogram of this data chart here. So you want box plot. So you're gonna go right here. Yes. Click on this, and they have a whole bunch of them. They have bar charts, they have box plots, they have dot plots, Stambly plot, and normal quantile plot. So we're gonna do the box plot now. So click on this. So they're gonna have the box plot here for you. Um, you can have more information about this. So you can read this one here, like, the minimum, it could be 0 and so on. But you also can get all the information from here, this sigma symbol right here. Click on this and it will show right here. So you have 20 pieces of data right here. And the mean would be 3.85. And then the minimum is 0 and Q1. So they keep here Q1 is 2. You can read from this or you can read from the graph. They have all of them in there. So that's how you get all the statistics of a data set. So now let's say I'm going to change this one to 30 instead. Yeah, 30. Yeah, so we're going to graph this again. You can see this one they have right here, but I want to show you this. Make sure that you have this part right here. So let's say my data here 30 again. I'm sorry, 20 set again, 20 pieces of data. So I click on this, I do one variable analysis. So I can wrap right here. So you see this X right here, this is indicate this the outlier. Okay, so you can remove the outlier when you analyze by hand, but you can use the symbol right here. So you're gonna go to click on this 1, 2, 3, the number symbol right here, and it show in here. So I see this one. I look at here. So my data right here that would be I have 30 is um my outlier. So you can if you put this one on, you see the mean right now is 5.35. You see that one, huh? It's really a big high right there. So you can remove this by uncheck this box, the 30 right here. So I uncheck this. So you see now that 30 is removed. So you don't have any more. Now you have 19 piece of data instead of 20 like earlier. And your mean, it now go down to 4.05 instead of 3.35 earlier. And it adjusts your minimum, your Q1, Q2, and everything is do that for you. So it's a very nice, easy feature to work with on this one here. So let's say you're gonna do you're gonna find the confidence interval for this. So let me put it back over here. So I have this, so I'm gonna put confidence interval in here. So you're gonna click on this statistics drop box right here. You go down to Z estimate if you know the population standard deviation. But in this case, we don't know the population standard deviation, so you're going to use a T estimate of the mean. So we put on here and you choose the confidence interval. Let's say I choose 95% confidence interval. Then it computed for me my lower limit, my upper limit. You can write the form or you can write the form, you put parentheses and you get this one here, upper limit you have here. You have the degree of freedom and you have the mean. It's all computed here for you. Okay, so let's say I remove this one, so I should see the change right here. So you see that the mean go lower, and so my confidence interval is nicer. Or you can change the confidence interval instead of 95. Let's say change it to 97%, which equals 57, and you see the change in here too. So you see that will be different. It will be 2.7 instead of that you have here 95. So you see 95, you will see the wider the confidence interval, and you to 97, you will see a smaller confidence interval that you see in here. So the very nice feature on GeoGebra that you can use in with one click, you can have everything in there. I hope this helped.